Hello friends, Sarah here from the Connecticut Cocoon. I am the co-creator of Hello from the Cocoon with my dear friend Lori, and we are going to do an expressive arts activity called vocal play. What is vocal play? You can check it out in our video to explore what vocal play is and the meaning of vocal play. But simply it is giving something in your world, within yourself, a sound that is unique to you. And today we are going to be vocal playing the sound of frass. So Lori and I just had a seasonal story time on Instagram Live if you want to check that out. And it was all about our special guest Bee. And so we explored Bee and the meaning of Bee and what Bee brings into our lives and the symbolism and dreams about Bee and all the Bee basics and all the facts about Bee. And I explored Carpenter Bee in particular. And so there was a new word for me called frass. And if you don't know what frass is, it's when a carpenter bee makes a circular hole in wood and the little sawdust bits that come out is called frass. And so I was just exploring that feeling of frass and just wanting to give it a sound, because I feel like we can get like that in our lives where we feel little bits of ourselves left behind while this beautiful, perfect creation like the circular hole the carpenter bee is making moves forward and these little bits stay behind. So I just wanted to kind of honor those little sawdust bits that get created and left while Carpenter Bee is burrowing their nest. And they make a beautiful hole into the wood, and they go in about 2 inches, and then they make a 90-degree angle and they follow the wood grain for about another 6 inches, and that's where they stay and they have their nest. And I know carpenter bees can be difficult around the home, so there's a lot of home remedies that can help alleviate too many carpenter bee visitors. But I have had a lot of carpenter bees come in to my life with each home that I have been in. So I thought it would be nice to feel into the sawdust that's left behind, because I've left a lot of homes behind, just like Carpenter Bee when they make their home. So let's see. We are going to give this vocal play some movements like we do and see if any messages come in afterwards. But let's feel into the sound, the unique sound of frass. All right, I'm already doing some movements. Deep, 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 deep. D D D D D D D D D D D D D D D D D D D. That feels good. I think it needs a little bit more because I'm starting to feel that as you leave one home, like what's left behind. If you've moved a lot like I have. So it has this like playful hope to it of like, oh, we're moving forward and kind of shedding ourselves and shedding these little bits off as we go into our new home. But I think there's a little something more missing. And you will know if you just cycle through your vocal play when it's landed, because you'll get a feeling inside your body. You'll get a sensation. So I want you to breathe into and feel any sensations in your body that you can then say, aha, I have landed my vocal play. It could be as simple as a smile, or I get a little buzz in my eyes, a little tingly. It could be a chill or a yawn. So make sure you are feeling into that and tapping into that as well. Okay, let's try some more, because it's not quite there. Dee, 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 dee. Dee, 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 dee. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's how it's gonna start. And I just got a message because I just did it, but it sounds kind of like the bee, and I was doing circular motion. So here we go. Ooh. I think we're gonna go a little back and forth. Dee, 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 dee. Dee, 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 dee. Dee, 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 dee. Dee, 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 dee. So I invite you to observe any sensations you have in your body. Come back to you. And I invite you can vocal play this right along with me and just copy exactly what I did. If you want to make your own unique sound for what's left behind when you move from one home to another, which today we're calling frass, the little sawdust bits left behind a Carpenter Bee circular hole. And we have our kitty who's saying, yes, please create your own vocal play. And or you could just sit back, relax, and receive this sound today. So with care and connection from my cocoon to yours, until next time, bye.